Welcome to the Holla Lecture Hall. In this issue, we will explain the high-efficiency titanium alloy milling cutter. First, select the tool type. A cylindrical tool of the forming milling cutter module. Enter the geometric parameter setting interface. Import the three sections of the end profile line, A, B, and C. Among them, draw rank shear. Line B and C are end edges. According to the selected shape profile line, define the back angle and helix line respectively, according to the corresponding spiral line. Set the parameters of the NT. Then enter the setting of the grinding process. For this titanium alloy milling cutter, we select grooving peripheral, arc back corner grinding shoe processing tooth system, and end edge grinding steps. We also select the grinding wheel model for each process. Adjust each processing parameter. Finally, generate the best tool simulation machining path. Because the end edge of titanium alloy tools is relatively complex, therefore, in programming, we need to strictly follow the drawing requirements and the principle of unequal division and spiral. For each section's shape outline, set different back angles and helical lines. Thank you for watching. See you next time.